Hey everybody, it's Bobby and I'm here on my mom's channel, and today I'm going to do for you and with you a nutty orange chicken salad. Chicken salad is one of my favorite things. It's something that we did a lot of back in our bag lady days when we started our business. My mom always made the best chicken salad, and there are many variations of it, and this is a really good one. A nutty orange chicken salad. So we're going to use mandarin oranges, we'll have some scallions, some celery, some mayonnaise, some walnuts, of course some chicken, and some hard-boiled eggs. A little lemon juice and salt and pepper too for flavoring. So you see it's pretty standard stuff. The mandarin orange is what's really going to make it sort of stand out, and that's a nice flavor to go with chicken. So I was just prepping my boiled eggs here, and I'm just going to give them a rough cut because I'm going to throw them in there and chop them up anyway. One of my favorite things when I was growing up was my mom's cold salads. She would do egg salad, she would do tuna salad, chicken salad, just anything under the sun that you can imagine. And they were all always so great. And this is sort of a take on my own flavors here. So I'm taking something that's sort of like my mama's chicken salads, definitely the celery my mom would use as a filler. And I'm sort of gonna add my own twist to it. I like lots of fruits and vegetables. And one of my favorites are scallions and celery. One of my favorite vegetables is a mandarin orange. So great. So some mayonnaise, whatever your favorite flavor is. I know what mine is, and I know what my mom's is, but mayonnaise is one of those things we all have. Well, first of all, you either love it or you do not love it. And we all have our favorites. So our walnuts and our mandarin oranges, look how beautiful they are. And they go. Our eggs, and I'll just toss them in kind of rough cut, rustic. Our lemon juice. And a little bit of kosher salt and pepper. All right. This is literally just a stand and stir recipe. So we'll just, and I'm going to use sort of a folding stir here, because you don't want to mash everything up and tear it all up with your spatula or with whatever you're using. I want those mandarin oranges to stay intact, so I'm just going to fold everything together kind of gently. It looks real pretty. I love the color of the orange in there. You know what would be nice in here too? I don't have any here, but what would be nice in here too would be some raisins. It might be a little different, a little bit good. I found myself lately I eat more and more raisins. I think they're great. I wasn't a big raisin fan when I was growing up as a kid, but I have come to love it because I eat it in my oatmeal in the mornings. And now, kind of a new thing, I love to snack on cashews. I just like any kind of, like a hearty nut like that, like walnuts or cashews or pistachios. I like all that stuff so much. And I've gotten into the habit of buying a big container of cashews and then just dumping a bunch of raisins in it and shaking it up and just having sort of my own little version of a trail mix, but just cashews and raisins. And oh boy, I just find myself with my hand in that jar all day, every day, kind of in between my meals. And my kids too now. Now my children are coming up to me saying, "Daddy, let me stick my hand in the cashew jar." But you got to be careful with nuts with small children. Those of you that have kids know that. Big choke hazard. So I chop up the cashews when the kids want some. All right, now just a big spoonful right on top of our lettuce. That is a beautiful butter lettuce. And you can see how pretty that is, and it's crisp, and it's got that snap to it, and it's wet from washing it. And we'll just put some chicken salad right on top of that. And this is going to make a beautiful salad. Look how pretty that is. chicken salad for 2. So I hope that you enjoy this. I'm going to. And thanks for tuning in to my mom's channel and getting me instead. Here's to you. Ooh, that's great.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.